Hi everybody and welcome to week 1. This week is very much an introductory week in terms of you getting to know me getting to know you, you guys getting to know the ins and outs of the course and how to navigate it. But it's also an introduction to the kind of writing that you guys are going to be doing in this class and your other classes because we're going to be talking about academic writing. We're going to be talking about academic reading and how that lends itself to the bread and butter of the academic writing world, the summary response. You guys are going to be reading an article by Kathleen Fitzpatrick called #Shame on You, and it's an interesting article in terms of what it means for communication and the digital world, but it's also a way for me to kind of gauge what you guys know and what you don't know, so I know what I need to teach you. So there's that assignment, but we're also going to be talking about the rhetorical situation and how that lends itself to the writing process, talking about the writer, the reader, the purpose, and how stance, tone, and genre affect what you write and how you write it. So those are all of the major issues. I don't want to call them issues because they're not issues. They're not people. Those are all of the major topics that we're going to be talking about this week. If you look to the, I don't know what side it's going to be on, I guess the right of me in this video, you'll see your schedule for the week in terms of what you need to do, what you need to complete. And you'll also see the list of assignments that are due by the end of the week. You guys can look at the due dates on either your calendar or in the individual assignments themselves, but those are all of the things that are required for you this week. I look forward to working with you, and I look forward to any questions you may have. So let me know if you need me this week, and I'll be talking with you guys very soon.